Hi, what is up guys? So today I have a super full schedule and I thought why not go ahead and take you guys with me. Today I have to do my all four of my tires change, I gotta do my brakes, I gotta do an oil change, I gotta fix one of my sensors, and then I might have a little surprise for my exhaust at the end of the day. Let's just see how time goes. But yeah, it's gonna be a super full schedule, so let's go ahead and get to it. Alright guys, so we just finished going to Discount Tire. Got some new meat on today. Look at this. I got just some nice tires. These are gonna be Falcon, I don't know, Falcon something. 265 by 35, 18s. And then on the front, I have 235 by 40. The guy, let me explain why I have kind of weird setup. In my opinion, I don't know, I was gonna do 245s and that's way overexposed. I was gonna do 245s in the front, but he told me that, I guess, how my car would sit would be kind of the back would be sitting back more like that. I don't know, I'm happy with it, it looks fine. I'm not looking for anything performance or stance wise at the moment with these tires, it's just because my other ones were completely slick and I was running drag radials basically. So now I'm headed to AutoZone to get some brake pads and that camshaft sensor, and then we'll go to my buddy's shop and we'll put those in and do the oil change, and yeah, so let's get to it. Holy crap, I just got so lucky. I'm getting on the highway, well before I even got on the highway, I had this cop behind me and I didn't even see him, I was not paying attention whatsoever. I was not going the speed limit and he got behind me and I was like, shit, I'm done. This is it. Like, I'm getting a ticket. I put his blinker on, he got over again to the other lane and just went by. Look at that. 265s, baby. I need new wheels. These need to go. What do you think I should get? New tire, I need new wheels. Really, really bad. My stance game is so bad. So the reason why I'm doing the rear ones is because these things are not really squealing, but it's grinding, and that's would be your brake indicator hitting the rotor. So they need to be changed. But since I'm already in the back, alright, I'm gonna do the other ones. I'm not doing the fronts today. They're okay still, I'll do those later. So I'm getting started here on the brakes. I'm not gonna do a full in-depth how to change everything. If you want to see that, go ahead and give this video a like and I will make sure to do the front ones and I'll do a full in-depth video of how to change everything on there. So let me know if you want to see that. And yeah, we're just gonna get to this and get it done because we got other things we gotta do. So we just got the brake pads off that were grinding on my rotor. And let me just show you, let me get the new ones. Let me show you a difference of how bad these are. So this is brand spanking new, right here. See how thick that is? Let me see. That is some good meat right there. Okay, good brake pad. This one right here is okay, but still getting really low. Pretty, that's like medium size. And this is what I had. Absolutely nothing. That's bare metal. I was grinding metal to metal on my rotors. So that is terrible. You can clearly see the difference of each one. And now my rotor is pretty bad actually. It's what would you say? It's pretty it's not warped, but it's yeah, it is it warped?
Yeah, that's the noise you hear whenever we're coming.
But I thought that's just because it's grooved. It has grooves in it.
That'd be a warp.
Yeah, I guess it is a little warped, but we're gonna put it on the brake lathe and we're gonna smooth it all out. Hopefully that will fix everything. And yeah. And this was only like, it's only doing this for like 2 days. So this is what happens if you don't do it like immediately. There she is. So, oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh man. Okay, go to the other side. So that's a good, no grooves, nice and smooth. That's terrible. We can fix that though, right?
Yes, as long as the rotor's in spec 14mm. Does that look like it's 14mm to you?
Sure.
Alright, sounds good.
How much we got, doctor?
About 1¼ inches.
Hey Siri, how many millimeters are in an inch? 25.4. So we have well over 14 millimeters. Alright, perfect. We'll be fine. Alright, so we just finished doing our brakes and everything's all good. Tires are back on. And yeah, so let's go ahead and drop her. We got those rotors nice and smooth. They were warped pretty good. The other one that was all grooved is now completely smooth. Brake pads, nice meat on them. So right in there, we just unbolted my muffler that I have here. And we're gonna go ahead and start her up. You can see that. I'm gonna start her up and hopefully she sounds good. And maybe I'll just take the whole thing off and keep it like that. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. That sounds so good. Oh my gosh. Alright, we gotta take that whole thing off. We have to take that off. That sounds so good. Why didn't I do this earlier? The Z may have some terrible trunk space, but it is perfectly made to fit a muffler. Alright, so testing out my new exhaust. Well, not exhaust, but just a muffler delete. We have it set up right where this wall is at. I'm gonna redline it real quick. I just did some matte pop, so you're gonna hear it now. Oh my god. Dude, oh my gosh,
But other
dude.
than that, it sounded pretty good.
That sounded so good. We're trying to find bank 2 because bank 1 was in that first one I did, the camshaft. We're gonna replace the second one. Oh, a new sensor. So yeah, I don't know. This hopefully should be the problem, fix the problem I'm having. It's like I'm getting to 5,000 RPM around there, and my engine will just like I don't know like what you would call it. It just like jolts itself. I mean, I don't know, because it's giving me the problem where I can't even redline. It will hit before I redline. It'll do that thing I was talking about in the last video, where it will the slip light, engine light, all that comes on, and the engine, like I said, just jolts, and it's really weird. This happened to me last time actually when I did the camshaft, but it fixed it. So I guess this is the second one I gotta fix, and hopefully should be good to go after that. Because this is not, it's pissing me off. I can't go to the drag race, man. I can't race if I can't redline. Alright, so we just got the camshaft position sensor out. This is obviously the old ones are oily. This one actually looks better than bank 1 did. Bank 1 didn't even have an O-ring. And had a big old slice, if you remember, right down the middle. Alright, so AutoZone has yet again failed me terribly. What happened was, this sensor, the connector part like points up, and actually it needs to go straight. So we went back to AutoZone to swap it out, and they don't have it. We called like 3 or 4 other ones, and they don't have it. We finally found one that had it, so we are heading there now, and then head back to the shop, put it in, and go on our merry way. Alright, so finally back, got the right sensor. What I was saying was this needs to be straight, like that. The other one had the angle on it, and it's just, we can't do that, it won't fit. So we're gonna go ahead and put this baby back in, start her up, and we should be good to go after that. Alright, so I just put the sensor back in, and we are completely done with my car today. Today was super long. I'm gonna recap real quick. Got my tires changed, got my brakes changed, and my rotors fixed. Changed out my camshaft sensor. So we did a lot today. I'm gonna have to do oil tomorrow, but that's no big deal. So yeah, today was definitely a full day of fixing up Mariah, and now she will drive so much better, thankfully. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a fat thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that button right now. It just takes 2 seconds, guys. It'll help me out so much. Turn on post notifications so you won't forget any of my videos. And that's gonna end it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.